Low-power wideband sub-6 GHz transmitter based on RF mixing DAC for 5G communications. The Internet of Things, or IoT, refers to the billions of physical devices around the world that are now connected to the Internet, all collecting and sharing data. Thanks to the arrival of super-cheap computer chips and the ubiquity of wireless networks, it's possible to turn anything, from something as small as a pill to something as big as an aeroplane, into a part of the IoT. Connecting up all these different objects and adding sensors to them adds a level of digital intelligence to devices that would be otherwise dumb, enabling them to communicate real-time data without involving a human being. Many IoT applications require high-performance communications including speed, latency, and capacity. 5G communications are considered the optimum solution for big data applications. For example, connected autonomous cars. Intel estimates that autonomous cars, with hundreds of on-vehicle sensors, will generate 40 terabytes of data for 8 hours of driving. That's 3,000 times more data than the average person would generate in the same period of time. Sending, receiving, and analyzing these data streams will require vast bandwidth. Low latency is required as connected cars have to make decisions in real time. IoT is also used in the agriculture field. Many farmers have already installed sensors in their fields that are connected using 4G, which operates at up to 100 megabits per second. In comparison, 5G speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second are expected. The difference allows for faster connectivity between devices along with enabling more devices to connect to a single cell tower. Wireless sensors connected through 5G could monitor field conditions and detect when crops need watering, pesticides, or fertilizers. Also, they gain insight into irrigation system efficiency and garden health. Other examples of IoT applications include wearables such as Fitbits, heart rate monitors, glucose monitoring devices, and smartwatches. Also, smart home applications where you can control and automate lights, air conditioners, vacuum cleaners, security cameras, and smart locks. IoT is used in smart grid applications such as load control, distributed feeder automation, and distributed power supplies management. In case of an overhead line or underground cable damage, intelligent devices communication enables precise fault location and immediate service restoration. Another problem is the strong fluctuation in the load and generation. Automation and monitoring of devices can increase the power efficiency of the system by regulating the instantaneous load across the day. The idea of our project is to implement the physical layer of a 5G transmitter in the sub-6 GHz band as an integrated circuit. Low power is necessary for mobile and IoT devices because consumers are expected to use the devices for extended periods without charging or changing the power source. With the vast and continuous improvements in the communications field, along with the continuous development in the IoT field, sensors, and devices, the urgent need for an efficient transmitter suitable for low energy and wideband purposes increases. RF mixing DAC-based transmitter has been purposed as a suitable solution for these requirements, which will be suitable to be used in mobile phones, IoT devices, and smart cities, allowing their needs and requirements for high-performance communication operations.